Today, we'll be taking a look at the Heorryn Photography Studio LED lighting kit. A lighting kit that comes with 2 bicolor lights and 2 adjustable light stand tripods for YouTube videos and product shots. So I've been testing these lights for a couple of months now, and it's found its use in my setup. Throughout this video, we will only be using these lights, and right now, I'm using them as my main lights. So you should get a good sense if you think this light kit is right for you. So what do I like about these lights? Well, for one, the adjustable neck. It's convenient that you can raise, lower, and tilt the light to exactly where you need it. And that has become invaluable for me when I use this for product photography. Which leads into my next point. I use these all the time for product shots. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and portable. It allows me to get into small places and close to the product, unlike other lights. I've also used this light as a rim light in the past, which has served me well. These lights don't give off a lot of heat and are quiet, which is a plus. No lie, after an hour of straight use, they're cool to the touch. Okay, so let's talk some more about using these lights as a key light. So what do you think so far? Right now I have these lights set to 5500 Kelvin and turned to the brightest level, which I think would give me some decent exposure. Remember, this is not really a soft light, but you could put some additional fusion in front of it to help you out with that. But here's a quick comparison between these lights directly and diffuse light. Whichever you prefer, you can't ignore the fact that you're getting 2 versatile lights for a good price of $99, with stands. Okay, so let's get into some hiccups I've come across the lights during my time using them and still using them. This is weird, but it bugs me. The AC adapter. Not only are they big, but the connectors have this weird shape that only goes in one way, so you won't be connecting this into the same outlet because of the design. Also, the same with the power strips. So keep that in mind. Either have a larger power strip or be near 2 different outlets, which leads me into the length of the cord. Most of the time, since I'm using this with 2 outlets, again, you could get a longer power strip with a long cord, I'm usually using the cord to its full extent and it's stretched out, getting in my way. So depending on your setup, it can get a little inconvenient. All right, the dials on the back of the light really don't give you that much information. Me, I usually just go to 5500 Kelvin, but anything in between, I really don't know because it doesn't tell me. So it may be an issue with accurate white balance in some scenarios. The lights, they're plasticky. It explains why it's so light, but it doesn't really feel sturdy. And last, the diffusion covers it comes with. Yeah, I appreciate it, but consider using your own diffusion to help soften the light when you need it. Okay, so that's the Heorryn Photography Studio LED light kit. For $99, not bad. Versatile light that I would say probably use product first, portrait second. But you can see what it looks like right now and decide for yourself. Okay, leave a comment down below with your questions and hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other future videos just like this one. All right, guys, well, until the next one, learn, do, and share. Take care. See you next time.